So here I will sit inside of the car and apply the brake, and I will show you. And as you can see, I am applying the brakes right now, and only one side the light is glowing and one side it is not glowing. So in this video I will be showing you how to replace this Ford Figo Aspire tail light assembly and brake light bulb. So let's get started. As you can see here, the bulb which is on the top here is the one which is not working. So to replace that bulb, I'll have to take out the entire assembly first. So to do that, you'll have to open the trunk first, and you will need a Allen key here, and the size of the Allen key is T25, as you can see here. So this number Allen key I have used here. So take that Allen key and remove these two screws first. As you can see here, I have removed these two screws right now. Keep them in a safe place. Now when you pull your entire assembly, it will come out like this, but there will be a plug connected to it. So pull the plug out like this. Your entire taillight assembly will be disconnected from the car. Now keep it on the table, and as you can see, we will have to take out these 4 screws. So I will take out these 4 screws now. So after removing all these 4 screws, it will still not open because it is holding on to the clips, and you'll have to release them. As you can see here, you'll have to pull this clip slightly and release it. There will be 2 clips like this. One will be on the other side. Pull that one also slightly, and as you can see, my bulb assembly has come out completely. This car has a slightly different system, and as you can see how my bulb is burned here, it is become totally black. Press this bulb and rotate it, and this bulb will come out easily. And as you can see, what is the state of this bulb. So I will replace this bulb with a new one now. And as you can see here, I have already bought a new bulb. So I will just push this bulb and rotate it, and here goes my bulb inside. Now take a cotton cloth and wipe the bulb so that the heat will not get concentrated. So here I am done replacing the bulb. So I will put this back now. So before assembling the entire assembly, I will connect the plug and check if the bulb I have replaced is working now. Always after replacing the bulb and before putting everything back, check if your bulb is working. So after pressing the brake, this bulb should light up. So here I have pressed the brake, and as you can see how my bulb is glowing. So now I can put everything back. Like this, you can replace any bulb which is there in your assembly right now. Now put the bulb assembly back like this, and put all the 4 screws back. Connect the assembly plug and put the entire assembly in position, and put back the 2 screws. Now close the trunk, and as you can see how my bulbs are glowing on both the sides now. So if you want to see more videos from me, I have put a link on the side here. You can go there and watch all the videos and start doing repairs by yourself and start saving lots of money. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, then press the subscribe button below so that you will get notification of my latest videos when I post them. Till then, bye and take care.